That's good.
It tastes really good.
Their pink sauce, the DD sauce,
Yeah.
is also really good. Which I don't think they give you that with the. Oh. Oh, freaking hey, dude. Oh my God. Oh man, I think my rod broke.
I think it snapped. I think it cracked.
Oh my God.
Something cracked.
Give me my
Your pliers.
yeah.
Here. Let me get you some slack.
Oh
Yeah, he's a good
my God. Oh my God.
Hang him down so I can. 3 pounds.
3 pounds, 10 ounces, almost 4 freaking pounds. Oh, I'm about to have a heart attack, Dad. Oh my God. Yeah, that's like you see. Oh, here. Don't stop. Is it recording? It's recording,
It's
right?
recording.
Oh my God.
Oh shoot, I like to fell out the boat.
Oh
Put him
my God. Look at that fish.
Turn his mouth to me. That mouth is unbelievable.
Oh, get it like a picture, like a close up, like so I can get a thumbnail.
A picture?
Well,
Or just a
just
close-up?
a close up video, and I can take a picture from it. Oh my God, dude. Oh, we better get them back in the water. We'll get this released, get up close so we can get a good.
Like your arm is in there.
Can you see him?
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, come on. Oh my God, dude. Freaking heck yeah, man.
That was a good fish.
That was awesome. I can't believe. I hope I didn't break my.
Something popped.